Hey guys, this is Aviation here with another mod.
A few moments later.
So right now I've started building part of like the terminal, the international terminal area, and I have gates parked out, and I drew the gate format and service roads and more gates over there. So I'll just be showing you an update of what I've been doing so far. So right here, I have my Qantas A380 that will be going out to Sydney Airport. It is currently being loaded with baggage and fuel truck. And then I also made a service road over here. It goes under. There's a bus and another tug are coming out of that. So this is what I made. I made these double custom jet bridges, and I made holes in my terminal blocks. So I'll leave a link to that video down below. But so this is the first terminal I ever built. So it's kind of a work in progress. So I need to cut these down to a certain size. Otherwise, yeah, it's that. And I've also made taxiways and another gate down here for my 787 Aeromexico that will be going out to Mexico City. I also made double jet bridges for that, and these didn't go as quite good as these. It kind of hits the engine there, so it's kind of a problem. And same thing, I made holes in the blocks. So this is basically what I've been working on so far. Mostly work on this in the evenings because that's when I have the most time. So yeah, I'm filming this at like 9 p.m. right now. So then there's also my Delta MD-88 model that's just taxiing down to runway 24 right to take off. Normally it wouldn't taxi over here, but there's nowhere else to put it, so I just put it there since this fits in with the model airport. Angling these right here to be a 123-degree angle. So yeah, I use the protractor, make a 123-degree angle, and then mark it out, and then draw it. And then for my box cutter, I cut the lines here, and then I stick my screwdriver and scissors inside, and then cut off the top. So that's how I make that. So I'll make that with this block. So that's basically what I've been doing with my model airport so far. I'll make more update videos in the future of what I've been building. I also want to say this model airport will not be big at all. I may just make one terminal, maybe not even one, just half. But I will make a runway out of a separate sheet, and that'll just be a separate runway, maybe 25 right or 24 right. It depends on what I want to make. So yeah, thanks for watching my first model airport update of LAX. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Subscribing will really help. I'm almost about to hit 400 subscribers, and then so on. So please subscribe, please like the video, please